know you love this shit. Do my dance on your dick, ooh, you know you love this shit. Do my dance on your dick, ooh, you know you love this shit.
It's 10-5, it's the money fall. Every time my line ring, it's 10-5, it's the money fall.
Hell no, I done missed the motherfucking call. Hello? What you doing? Nothing. Oh, I had the music up. That's why I ain't hear the motherfucking phone and shit. Hell yeah. Shit, just put the kids to sleep. No, I ain't even going out tonight. A bitch couldn't get her lashes done. Plus, that shit was free before 9:30 anyway, and the kids didn't even go to sleep till 10. Hell motherfucking yeah, no. So you go come. Bitch, it ain't for you.
Shaboclionte!
Oh my gosh, Sharquazia is so irritating.
So bitch, was it for me or not?
Bitch, it's BD, it's not for you, okay? Mind your motherfucking business. Damn, can I have a motherfucking conversation without your ratchet ass all up in the motherfucking mix? Shit, get a life. Hello? Get your life. Hello?
Oh, bitch, what that's all you had to say?
That's what I said.
Yeah. Versace, Medusa head on me like I'm Illuminati. This is a gated community. Please get the fuck off the property. That must be changing cause I'm at the top and there's no one on top of me.